In this video, we show how to invite a new user through a Berlin device. We start by opening the menu section, selecting Menu Settings, and then Users. We click on Invite and enter the new user's email address. Next, we fill in the first name and last name fields. We enable the Manage Self option to allow the user to manage their own profile. It is very important to select the role that the user will have access to. If there are multiple roles, we can separate them here. We click on the video role and then set the permissions. Use IOs allows user to open or close doors, switch lights on or off at sec. Manage AOs allows user to create automation for IOs. Manage Dashboards allows user to change order of the dashboards. Manage Users allows user to add or remove access to this place for other users. Manage Roles allows user to add, remove or edit roles for this place. Location restriction. Enable IO usage restriction by location. We can allow access all the time or restrict it to certain days and times. For now, we grant full access. After that, we click Save and confirm again with Save. The user is now created, and an invitation email is sent automatically. Opening the email, we find a welcome message from Smart Pierre. There are two important links, one to download the Smart Pierre app and another to activate the account. After downloading the app, it is important to go back to the email and click on the Activate tab. When the app opens, it shows a Change Password screen. Here, we create the first password, including a capital letter and a number. After confirming the password and saving, the app automatically logs in. From that moment, the new user has real-time access and can control devices immediately. Thanks for watching. See you in the next PIERRE Academy tutorial.